Welcome back, all you wizards and wizettes, or witches. We are doing our fourth in the Harry Potter series tonight. Wanted to show it out. We're on HBO Max. We own all of them on Blu-ray, but it's just easier doing this. But this is the newest series that's out right now. If you have HBO Max, we watched the first episode and it's fantastic. Really cool for all the Potter maniacs. But we are watching the Goblet of Fire tonight. All right, so tonight it's my turn doing this dish. And this one actually I figured out that it's gonna work with the Goblet of Fire the best. So it's the Tri-Wizard Tournament tonight. Will Harry be able to win it? Will there be a death in the series? I don't know. If you've never seen Harry Potter before, you'll have to watch. But anyways, in the show movie, there is the Durmstrang School, which is basically the Hungarian Victor Krum, and against the Beauxbatons, the French women's school, and they battle it out. So I figured let's try and do something slightly Hungarian and lightly French. So what I'm doing is a sweet paprika ratatouille dish. So mainly going to be ratatouille, just light smoked paprika. It's just for the whole Hungarian thing. I thought it would be completely fun to do. And we're going to do a meat sauce. These are vegetarian dishes normally, so just leave out the meat. We just wanted our protein tonight and figured we would go that route. So let's get into the dish. Nicole also prepared a dessert for tonight, so you will see that at the end of the video. And I'll go over the ingredients and how to make it. All right, so first on the agenda tonight is to make the dessert, which Nicole's doing a low-fat, low-sugar, healthier version of a cheesecake. Eggs, fat-free, good yogurt, vanilla extract. We've got low-fat cream cheese, skim-free milk, cinnamon, and Truvia. It's gonna be good. We're gonna get this done so we can let it cool down in the oven way before I start cooking my crazy French and Hungarian ratatouille. All right, look at that. That's gonna be yummy. So Nicole's got it all blended together. There is little chocolate chips in here, and we're just got the kettle on here. 4 cups of water. It's the French method. You just want to surround this, gives some nice moisture also so it doesn't dry out the cheesecake too much. And yeah, you can, I would just follow any recipe online for the ingredients as far as how many. It was 5 eggs, and then 4 of those blocks of cream cheese, a little bit of milk.
3/4 cup of frozen Greek yogurt.
Yep, Greek yogurt.
And then about 10 tablespoons of Truvia baking blend, about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Oh, yummy. All right, well, we're going to bake this at 325 for probably about 40. An hour? Yep, okay. Then we'll pull it out, we'll show it, and then we'll put it in the fridge. All right, there it is. Now we're gonna let it cool kind of to room temperature and then get it in the fridge. All right, so all organic, zucchinis, some squash, eggplant, onion, diced carrots, tomatoes. And we've got this trusty contraption. You've got to be very careful with the mandolin not to slice your finger off. Usually we would do just diced tomatoes when we do the onions and the carrots and saute them in a pan, but I already have this one. I love this sauce. It's a golden tomato and all organic, no sugar added. So we're gonna fry up in the frying pan, kind of saute the onion and the carrots together. If you're doing normal ratatouille, you would do that along with the diced tomatoes. These are actually for the ratatouille vegetables. And then you do the sauce, you layer it on the bottom, then you stack all the vegetables around. I'm kind of doing a fun dish in a different way, as I do all the time, and change it up. And of course, tonight's wine, we're not doing a French. I'm not sure if you guys know who this wine is from. So this is actually an Arizona wine. We're wine members of Caduceus. Caduceus is very famous, number one, for having just amazing Italian style wines. And being from Arizona, it's even really cool the fact that they are able to produce Italian reds so well there. But it's also owned by James Maynard Keenan, the singer of Tool, Pussifor, and Perfect Circle. So I thought this one would pair nice. It's a Marzo, and it's just a red table blend. So let's get into cooking. All right, we just cooked up the chicken real quick, set it off to the side. Now I'm gonna do the onions. We wanna cook these down. Don't wanna get them brown, just, glassy so they're see-through with the carrots. And then we're gonna add our tomato sauce to this. And then let it simmer for about, 15, 20 minutes. All right, busting out the La Creuset. I know it doesn't look perfect ratatouille. I'm not gonna do it in the spiral, traditional way, sorry if I offended any French people here that watch the channel. I kind of did it like a lasagna. I just didn't have enough vegetables and there's just 2 of us, so I didn't want to go overboard on this dish. So it's meat sauce down at the bottom and all the veggies stacked per layer. I think it's gonna be cool. We'll see how it turns out. I'm excited. I think it's ready. All right, we got it out, 45 minutes at 375. Woo, steamy. That looks pretty good. I don't know. All right, you can see the stack there, the meat and sauce below, all the layers of vegetables. All right, and we're gonna tune in and watch the 4th Harry Potter. And cheers to everyone tuning in. Glad you like it. This dish looks fun. Enjoy.